Apologize in advance for all the non-tech people for all the jokes you won't get. And then, so what are esoteric languages? They are programming languages that are not intended to be used in the real world. They are intended to be a proof of concept or just funny, just a joke. And and then they started with the first language called Intercall, created by these two guys in the 70s. Those are quotes from the manual of the language, and it was intended as a parody for languages created at the time, which are not really understandable for these days. Here's a code example. It's a hello world. And the language starts off is proud of being overcomplicated because people respect other people that do complicated stuff. One of my favorite features of this language is the use of the word please. You have to say please or your compiler won't accept it because you're not being polite. And if you say too much, the compiler won't accept either because you're being too polite. So you have to level your please. So this one of my favorites is Shakespeare. The language is written to look so as your programs look like Shakespeare plays. It's this is a quote from the manual. Probably people without technical background won't get it. This is a Hello World program. I apologize. The program it doesn't fit in the there's something missing there, and it's really nice because you. Oh, sorry. This brain fudge is a language. They give the name. The way the language works is similar to the Turing machine. When you move a tape back and forth and can write on a tape. You probably don't know what a Turing machine is, but it doesn't matter. You guys, technical guys, know. This is a Hello World program. Brain fudge. I don't know why it's called brain fudge, right? And so there are about 8 commands you can do in the language, and you have to construct your programs in this. This is white space. White space is characterized for using only white space characters as commands of the language. Every other character that isn't a white space is a command. So this is a hello world. Here's the command. A help command, say hello so you know what the program does. And here's the program. It also doesn't fit in the whole slide, so you're missing something here. And there's actually a program. I paste the example from the side. This is low code. Low code is made so it looks like lowcats speaking. I don't know if you know lowcats, but I have some examples. They will appear in some seconds. Any moment. So these are lowcats. This is the manual, the book for low code. I don't think it really exists. This is a walrus, but I like it. I like the face. No, it's a bucket. And this is how a programming low code looks like. Hi, GitHub Studio, visible hi world, K-Tex Pack. It's a really awesome language. But awesome programs.
Oh no!
And my name sounds like cow. I have to show you the cow language. It's a language intended for bovines. So all the commands looks like moo or something. That is moo, moo. I can say that well because I'm not really a bovine, but I'm practicing. Well, and for the more artistic inclined, there's Piet. This language you program graphically, and it's intended to look like these Mondrian pictures, Piet Mondrian. They actually wanted to call the language Mondrian, but someone else got in the front and created a Mondrian script or something that has nothing to do. And this is a program that prints Piet on the screen, and it works in a really complicated way, going from area to area, and the way that the color changes is the command you are doing. It's crazy. I don't know how to do anything in this language. It's interesting. And also, it's nice to know that in this side, 99 bottles of beer, there's an implementation to print the song 99 bottles of beer in 1,348 languages. Not all of them are esoteric, but just to know there's a lot of languages. The conclusion about presentation is that being a developer makes you have some weird choices about how to spend your free time. Those crazy languages that are not really useful, but are funny, and you can have some fun making weird programs that look like images or something. So that's